We're making breakfast. We're making breakfast. Making a big old breakfast. Let's get started. So, what's up guys? Welcome back to another episode. It's your boy Gabe. And as you can see, we got a lot of cooking to do. So, without further ado, it's not dilly-dally. Alright, so like I said, we got a lot going on. We got potatoes, we got bacon, we got sausage, we got French toast, and we got eggs. So, the first thing we want to do is we want to start with the stuff that takes the longest. So we're going to start with our sausage and our bacon. But first, we're going to take an entire stick of butter, and we're going to do one of those. Now the only reason I'm using an entire stick of butter is because we got a lot. So I kind of want to keep everything somewhat close together because we got a lot and there's not a lot of room. But we're going to make room. Okay, then our bacon. I can tell you this, if this grill wasn't seasoned before, it's seasoned now. Pretty sure this is classifies as a healthy breakfast. Just kidding. I'm trying to keep one hand clean so that I can mess with my French toast. Alright, next we're going to throw on our potatoes. And we're going to kind of spice them up a little bit. I'm going to throw some of these seasonings that I used in one of my other videos, or my last video. And so I got essential, and then we're going to add some Cajun to it. Now that things are starting to cook a little bit, make some more room. Okay, now we're going to do our French toast. Now with this, I have about 4 eggs for about a half a loaf, if not a little bit more than a half loaf, probably about 8 slices. And then when I do cinnamon, I put cinnamon in, and then when I think it's enough, I add just a little tad bit more, because the first piece always soaks up the most cinnamon, and it sucks when you don't have any cinnamon on the rest of your French toast. We actually got the whole loaf. Shocking. Now I'm just kind of taking this stuff off because we got a few more things to do. Kind of as soon as everything's done, kind of clear up space. Okay, our sausage is done. Our hash browns are just about done. Okay, now we can kind of move a little bit faster. Let's make some pancakes. I got some oil. Okay, then we're just gonna kind of pre-portion these. And no, I don't have any chocolate chips. I suck, I know. Give our hash browns a little more seasoning because they are potatoes and they suck up a lot of stuff. It's just a little bit because we kind of went heavy on the first go around. But I'm very particular about my potatoes. All right. Keep an eye on our pancakes because I don't want them to burn. Yeah, gorgeous. Okay, let's take our potatoes off. Alright, then our pancakes are also done. Alright, and then last but not least, our eggs. These don't take long at all. But I'm just going to use some essential blend, since it's mostly just salt and pepper. But these go by very quickly. So we're actually going to turn the heat down just a little bit. A little bit of our eggs, that's okay. We're going to do one of these. And like that, we're done. Cut our heat. And just like that, let's go inside. Let's chow. Alright. I think we have enough food. I'm not entirely sure, but I think we have enough food. Well, I would say that's a successful breakfast, but I want to try this French toast because it was kind of sitting in bacon grease. I'm kind of excited. You can definitely tell it was sitting in bacon grease. Oh man. It's basically sweet and savory at this point. But, that's life-changing right there. Some powdered sugar on that. Alright, now I kind of want to try these potatoes. I've never actually done this before, so this is the first time. Oh yeah. Ooh, that's really good. With the combination of the Cajun and the essential stuff, those are some money potatoes. Oh, wow. And they're still kind of crispy, but they're nice and soft. Oh, yeah. That's good stuff. Well, like I said, colossal breakfast at its finest. Well, there you have it, guys. A mega breakfast on the Blackstone. So if you like this video, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification button next to it. Comment down below. Tell me what I should have, what I left out. And tell me what I should make next. And as always, peace out, guys. I don't know where to start. I'm gonna start with you. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I don't think I'll be able to eat this by myself, but I'll make a nice dent, especially in those potatoes. Oh yeah. More please.